Hey, this is Grayson from Duo's Time Foot, and today we're gonna be playing Sword and Souls. So let's start with. I've played this for a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. I'm only ranked bronze. Today's goal is kind of to get after the Wildling stuff. I have most of the Wildling stuff. Wildling shoulders, Wildling chestplate, Wildling gloves, and Wildling shield. So this is the map. Then these. But we're gonna be doing this one. I will help him. Play space. And whoop. So you can see on the bottom the controls. And this is one of the harder battles. So, and there we go. And what do we have? What is that? What is that? And that's it. I'm done here. I'll be resting for a few days. See you later. With more bones? I don't know. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't even plus 20 damage. Huh? Forgotten store? Huh? Wait. This ain't Forgotten Store. Wait. So, oh, yes. Yes, this is what I've been wanting to do. And I finally get to do it. Can't believe I get to do it on video. Ideally. Alright. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. I don't get these. Okay. Now I'm starting to get this. Okay, so. Oh. Down. Oh, down. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Uh. Okay. I'm bad at this. What? Ah. Uh. Uh. Okay. Okay. Huh? Crap. And come. Yeah, don't. That was a Julie. I wish I got sorcery. And now, guys. Okay, that's when I go. Alright. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Mm. Mm. Okay. What? 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 Okay. What? Okay. So, down. Come on. Down. Up. Down. Back. Up. Down. Up. 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 Down. Up. Up. Down. Why is it so hard to time these? Ugh. Mm. Mm. Uh-huh. Go. Mm. 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 Okay. Come. Hit. Oh. Mm. Oh, come on. Man. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh. Eh. Uh-huh. Eh. What? 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 Mm. 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 Okay. Huh. Oh, crap. Mm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, like Spider-Man from the new Spider-Man movie. Best movie ever. Mm. Mm. Uh, mm. Yeah. Drink. Oh. Um. Ha. Ha. Can't hit me. Nuh-uh. Ow. Oh. Oh. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Uh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Getting better. Oh. Uh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well. Oh. Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever Spider-Man does. Spider-Man dies in a new Spider-Man movie. So, I'm kind of sad. Oh, come on. After I was sad. Could you? You're supposed to be my friend here, and you're beating me up with a stick. Yeah, I don't get how that's friendship. Uh-huh. Now let's go see how much agility it is. He tired. Hey, let's do it again. Just trying to get this to rank balance. That good? No. Oh, come on. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, come. Oh, crap. Yeah. Mean. Branson. Hit me. I. How. How am I with this guy on the team? He's trying to hit me with a stick, and I'm almost dodging every single one. Oh, why when I say that? Yeah! Oh, yeah! Yeah. Steps. Now, can I actually dodge enemies? Battle. Oh, battle them all. The right mouse button. Okay. Space. I always thought right click was left click. Wow. Mm-hmm. Gonna be using my left click now. Now you did. Uh-huh. Oh, you're gonna be dead. Pew! I'm gonna dodge this one. Ooh. Oh, come on. Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Where's my... Wait. Oh, forgot. Yeah. I'm wondering there. I remember. Chiblet. Huh? Supposed to be using my special move. Oh, crap. This is what I meant by mama. Boom! W? No, crap! Maybe I need to train my defense. Ha, ha, ha. Ho, 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 ho. Oh crap, I didn't mean to do that. After this, I'll show you all the range thing. Doot, doot. Ah, crap. Ranged. Alright. Time. And can't believe I spent so much reliability training. I could have been doing this. I'm gonna beat that on that Momo on video. I don't care if we're all. I have to beat the Momo. Beat them all. You eat coach. You. I'll shoot. Winner. Holy. Hmm. 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 Huh. Huh. Um, so, I'm saving. Right click and left click. No, what? Oh, I don't know what left click is gonna do to Momo, but it'll do something. Okay, crap, I don't have a way of dodging. Oh! Who's crap? I should have thought of this. Ooh! That 1,000. Cute. Cute. No! I think I know what it is. Mm, mm, mm. Oh.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah, I know. I know that the video will be really long. It's just that I'm trying to beat this boss on video.
Hey man, do your thing, okay?
Okay.
Just when you get done, remember to tell them bye, okay?
Okay.
And then come get me.
Alright.
Bye.
Later. Doing W. Yeah. You have the right to remain silent. Okay. I wondered. Okay. This is where I spend most of my stuff. It's on me. Ugh. I'm not gonna block you. Really is blocking the best idea? And then I can keep health. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, you're dead. And knocked out. Oh, crap. Barely any of it abilities. Oh! Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Oh, this knocks her out, yes. Yes! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment if you keep on wanting me to do some more of this.